Hi, my name is Tara Taylor, and today I'm going to be showing you how to chart data using Excel and how to copy those charts and add them into a PowerPoint to share with an audience. So first you're just going to find any type of data from online or typing it in yourself. I found some data on what types of platforms men and women use for social media. I already pasted it in here, and I wanted to show you if you wanted to find the totals of these, you can start your own equation in column D here. You can add B and C2 together and it'll give you the total. Do it one more time here. B3 plus C3, and then you could add this little green, make it all the way down, and it will copy that pattern. But I kind of like the fact that it'll show you men versus women. So here we want to do insert recommended charts, and you find the way that shows the relationship between the data and the best way to represent it. I think here is a perfect way to use a bar chart. So it will give you the exact data that you use, put it right into the chart. I think it shows you pretty well here which platform it is. I think we need to add a title for that, and on this axis as well. Let's change the title. This is social media platforms used, and then we're going to add the horizontal title, and this would be social media platforms. And I would go back up here. It's not used, but it's more like preferred. Preferred. There we go. We're going to also add title vertical here, and it's going to be how many preferred. You can also change the color of these. You just click whatever, you go over to this side, and you can add a color. I think we'll leave the men blue, but we'll go ahead and change the orange to a purple. You can add the transparency here. You can even add the different dash types and how much you can see it versus you can't. And then to add it to the PowerPoint, you just copy and paste it right into wherever you have the PowerPoint. Bam, pops right up. We chose the bar chart here because it does show that percentage breakdown of each category, and it can show you what category is dominant over the others. So right away you can see YouTube here, Facebook, Instagram, and it shows you exactly men versus women. For the second type of data, we are going to show the change of the moon illumination throughout the month of June. So that's this information here. We don't need any of these columns, so I'm just going to go ahead and delete them. These are the only two we need. It shows you exactly the month of June and how much the moon was illuminated at that point. So we're just going to do that insert chart here. I want to use a line graph because I want to show how much it's changed over time. Oh, didn't mean to do that. So I do want to make it a little bit bigger so we can see it, of course. The title here is Moon Illumination for the month of June at 2025, just in case. And then here we also want to add the titles horizontally. This would be the day of the month. So day 1, day 2, day 3, June 4th, June 5th. And then on the other side, we want to add, this is how much, what percent the moon was illuminated. Moon was illuminated. Awesome. You can also change the color here and the dash here. Oh, we want to get rid of that, and we want to change the color. Let me move this over so you can see it a little bit better. Now you can see it. We're going to change it to orange and then make it like dotted. Perfect. So I'm going to copy this one the same way, add it into my second. We chose the line graph because it shows that trend-based visualization period over time and the fluctuation over the month.